Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Kids love to build things. Just think of the longevity of Legos. Snap Circuits kits take the building aspect and add a healthy dose of STEM learning and make it fun. There are kits for kids as young as 5, all the way up through high school and adults, and many are affordable too. Kids can make energy-efficient model homes, flying toys, and much more. VP Tim Conlin.
The benefits of a young child getting involved in STEM at an early age, it really fosters that curiosity and confidence. And it can really be that spark, so to speak, right? To really driving that interest that literally can last a lifetime.
And there's much more to come. Snap Circuits kits are widely available, and there's more info at snapcircuits.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.